Gather your materials and follow along to make this personalized ornament using old bananagram letters. This is the perfect Christmas Eve craft. You'll also need glue, ribbon, twine, and bells. Start by laying out a piece of ribbon and add your bananagram tiles to spell out the name. Leave about 2 inches of extra space at the top and glue the pieces onto the ribbon. Tie a piece of twine in a circle. Add the bow and place the ribbon through the twine. Fold over the ribbon and glue it down. Glue on a string of bells in the back or leave it blank. Add to your tree and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.